Kamusta mga ate, kuya, beshi? Si Chari po ito mula sa The Sun, Moon, Stars, PH Tarot. Ipapaalam ko lang po na ito po ay isang general read o pangkahalatang pagbabasa at maaring hindi lahat ay magtugma sa inyong sitwasyon. I-check din nyo ang inyong Moon, Rising at Venus sign. Baka doon mas tumugma ang read para sa inyo. At kung ang mensahe ay tama sa inyo, paki-like lang po at mag-subscribe kung hindi pa ninyo ito ginagawa. Okay, mag-umpisa na po tayo. Hello po mga ate, kuya, beshies. Kamusta na po kayo? Andito ulit ako si Chari para another reading, and this is for the sign of Leo, Sun, Moon, Rising, and Venus. And of course, welcome po yung mga cross-watchers ni Leo at yung mga bago po nating mga viewers. Titake ko lang po itong opportunity para po magpasalamat sa mga subscribers at mga viewers ko na nagpatid po ng kanilang pagdamay sa aming pong pamilya. Marami pong salamat. Tignan po natin ngayon kung ano yung update para sa yung third and fourth quarter ng taon na ito. Kasi nagbabago naman po yung energy talaga. So, tignan natin kung ano yung changes. At ito po muna, mag-concentrate muna tayo dito sa message na gustong iparating sa inyo para ito sa last quarter or sabihin natin para sa kalahati ng taon. Okay? Ang sabi dito, Archangel Gabriel. We have cheer up and enlightenment. Okay. So, si Archangel Gabriel po, siya yung messenger of creativity and hope. So, kung nangangailangan po kayo ng tulong o assistance, kung medyo nabablock kayo, if you need something na para magkaroon kayo ng sabihin natin may project kayo and you need to be creative about it, you ask Archangel Gabriel to help you. Cheer up is of course yung sinasabi dito na live in the moment, no? Kung ano mang ginagawa mo ngayon, magpakaligaya ka, Leo. Just enjoy life. No, huwag masyadong dead serious about it. Just kung ano man yung meron ka, enjoy it. Ano yung itong moment na to, whatever it is, enjoy mo lang. Now, enlightenment is all about something to do with your spiritual growth. Okay? Kasi, syempre, ano rin naman ang Leo, very intuitive, no? Malakas din ang intuition mo. So, you try to enhance yung intuition na yon with your spirituality. Okay? So, you focus on, if you need help, pagdating sa pag-asa, no? Hope and creativity, you ask Archangel Gabriel, cheer up, no? Just enjoy life. And, of course, yung enlightenment is all to do with your spirituality. Now, tingnan natin yung sa tarot, kung ano yung third and fourth na energy na makukuha natin para sa kalahati ng taon. We have a jumping card, the Wheel of Fortune. Then we have the Knight of Cups. We have the Knight of Pentacles. Okay? We have the Queen of Pentacles, the Two of Wands, and the Three of Pentacles. Okay. So, Leo, umpisa muna natin sa money, career, work, business, no? And then afterwards, I'll go to love. Now, the third quarter is July, August, September. Okay, so we start with July. Leo, the Wheel of Fortune. Napakaganda ng umpisa mo because this would bring itong July ng swerte, good luck, money, success. Baka winnings pa nga no? Baka manalo ka sa loto or whatever, kung ano man yung punta ka ng casino, no? Kasi this is really turning to your favor, no? Ito ay isang magandang hudyat na mangyayari yung pagbabago na to, pabor sa iyo. Magiging maganda o magkakaroon talaga ng pagbabago na very positive. Something that would bring in additional resources, additional maybe clients, no? If this is to do with yung sales or your business, maybe this would mean additional promotion, no? Additional bonus, something like that. Now, pagdating ng August, there is this offer that you will receive that you actually love. Yung gustong-gusto mo yung offer na to. Offer na talaga you really, really love. Maybe pagdating sa work, sabi ko nga, additional, baka inoferan ka na mas mataas na posisyon o another position na matagal mo nang inaay, yung matagal mo nang gusto, pero hindi pa maibigay sa'yo kasi mayroon pa dong naka-assign, something like that. But you will receive that message now na, ikaw na yung napili namin para dito. If it's something to do with business, you will receive a message na maybe customers are starting to let you know how they appreciate or how they like your product or how they appreciate your services, no? Yung ganon. Which is August. And then pagdating ng September, the Knight of Pentacles, ito yung another message, another, sabihin natin, makakatanggap ka rin ng, ito na yung mag-start na kung ba nag-i-start na dumating yung coins, yung pera. But it will come a bit slow this time. No? Medyo mabagal kasi siguro talagang kailangan mong pagtrabahuhan, may kailangan ka pang patunayan, o nag-iingat ka, o hindi mo pa kasi masyadong alam yung gagawin, kaya dahan-dahan ka lang. Inaalam mo pa maigi kung ano yung dapat mong i-perform, o things like that, no? But this is really moving na sure ka, no? Magiging sure yung movement. Hindi yung pabigla-bigla. Kasi kung titignan mo, ang ganda ng cards, no? Nagbago talaga yung takbo ng buhay. Natanggap mo yung isang bagay na gustong-gusto mo that would bring money, that would bring success eventually, but it would take a lot of hard work, no? Hindi to yung basta-basta na sabihin natin, ayan na agad, may pera ka na, no? This is really doing it slowly but surely. Di ba ito yung sabi nila, slow and steady wins the race, di ba? Kahit mabagal ka, ikaw naman yung mananalo. So okay lang yun. That is for September. So yung third quarter mo is really, you would see the change, yung pagbabago na yan. Itong third quarter, pagpasok, may malaking pagbabago kang may experience. Now, pagdating Leo ng fourth quarter, October, I think you will be having this energy of the Queen of Pentacles, no? Ito ka na from the Knight, naging Queen of Pentacles ka na. Kung gaba parang nag-pay off yung pagiging dahan-dahan mo Nag-pay off yung naging maingat, inalam muna, yung ganong quality. So, kaya ka, kung gaba yung October mo is really, you are kung aiming, yung ini-aim mo na maging magaling ka, nagawa mo eh. By having this energy of the Queen of Pentacles. Ito kasi yung tao na talagang very secure, very stable, very practical. Kayang-kaya niyang balansehin ang work and family, yung ganong qualities. No? Kayang-kaya niya, magaling siya, napaka-dedicated sa trabaho. October. And then, pagdating ng November, you are trying to see things, no? How are they going? Tinitignan mo pa. Making a decision, trying to see kung okay ka na. Okay ka na dito sa ginagawa mo. Okay? Kasi, syempre, kahit na sabihin natin na alam mo na malaki na yung in-improve mo, marami ka na talagang nagawa, alam, napatunayan, still, andun ka pa rin na binabalanse mo yung sarili mo to check if you are exactly doing the right thing. Okay? Which is good. Kasi, huwag tayo masyadong mataas yung ere. Di ba? It is also good to be very humble pagdating sa mga ganito, yung kaalaman natin. Parang, ito yung check and balance kung ba. Alam mo na level mo pang Reyna na. Yung gabay, marami na akong alam. Pero still, good to check myself na okay ba ako. Pagdating ng December, this is where talaga kung gaba napatunayan mo na, yeah, I'm really doing good. Kasi I'm in harmony with everybody. Everybody is working perfectly in harmony with me. Lahat kami nagko-cooperate. Lahat kami nami-meet namin yung aming goals. Yung pinlano ko nagagawa. Kasi we are all doing what is supposed to do. Kasi okay kami lahat Ganun. So maganda yung pasok ng sa'yo, ng trabaho. Pati pakikitungo, pakikisama sa mga tao na kasama mo sa trabaho. Ganun din pagdating sa negosyo, no? You are doing very well kasi you could actually see how people responds to you, how your customers responds to you. Di ba? They are really interacting with you. Ito kasi is more of you're checking na meron pa ba akong dapat gawin? Ano pa yung dapat kong i-provide sa mga customers ko? May kulang pa ba? What is it? Parang kailangan ko pa bang ganito? Extend ko pa ba to? Yung mga ganun. And you will find out, December is really the best time. Kasi, okay kayo Money is coming in. Di ba? That's already 3 of Pentacles. 3 na yung Pentacles. So, nag-i-increase na yung pera. Nadadagdagan na. Ibig sabihin kasi, okay naman yung mga tao sa'yo. Masaya sila sa product mo, masaya sila sa services mo, masaya sila sa pinapakita mo sa kanila. Yung level of customer service. Kaya, okay ang output. Now, pagdating sa love, Leo, again, July, may mangyayaring pag-iiba. May mangyayaring pagbabago sa love life mo, sa relationship. Well, kung dati wala ka, bokya, zero, wala talagang ganap, single, mga tipong samahan na malalamig ang Pasko, yung mga ganon, pagdating ng August, mabubuhay ito. Okay? Mabubuhay yung relationship o mabubuhay yung love. May mag-offer sa'yo ng love There's somebody that will be attracted to you, Leo. Na sasabihin niya talaga na, hey, I like you. I find you to be very attractive. Ganda mo, ganon. I want to know you more. Actually, I love you na Parang ganon. Ganon yung dating. And you like it. Gusto mo talaga to. Siyempre, ikaw, hindi ka ba mapa-flatter kung, di ba, binibigyan ka ng magagandang, I mean, you're given all these beautiful praises, wonderful words na nakakakilig, mapakinggan. Now, September, mabagal nga lang siya. Okay? Mabagal lang siya kumilos, Leo. You might be dealing with an earth sign, Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn, or maybe a water sign, Cancer, Pisces, or Scorpio. Okay? So, mabagal nga lang siya. Pero, sure naman. Kasi pinag-aaralan ka pa niya eh. Kung ba tipong kinikilala ka niya mabuti, naninigurado lang siya. Siyempre, ayaw naman niya mapahiya. Ayaw niya sigurong, alam mo yun, mabusted. Though, hindi siya sure, pero siyempre masakit mabusted, di ba? Kaya dahan-dahan lang siya. Pero pinapaalam niya na sa'yo na gusto ka niya. Okay? Now, pagdating ng October, makikita mo talaga na itong person na to is somebody na talagang hindi ka nagkamali kasi very stable, very secure ka dito, napakasipag, magaling sa kanyang ginagawa, matalino, practical, very loyal, friendly, lahat ng magagandang katangian sa tao na to makikita mo sa kanya. Okay? Kaya ikaw, no? Siyempre, you're trying to make that decision. Kasi ang bagal mo pa dito eh. Pero little by little, nakikita mo na yung good qualities niya eh. Kaya nung November, parang you're trying to make that decision. Ano na ba? Siguro, time na para mas lalo ko pa siyang makilala. Maybe it's time that we get together more often just to see if we are compatible talaga. Okay ba kami dalawa? Kasi, alam mo, pagdating ng December, masasagot mo eh. Masasagot mo to. You will be in perfect harmony with each other. Makikita mo na talagang you jive, okay kayo, compatible kayo, nagkakaintindihan kayo, you have similar beliefs, marami kayong in common sa isa't isa, no? Maraming similarities. So, maganda yung relationship. Magiging maganda yung relationship, no? And you could see progression, no? Kasi magiging Three of Pentacles na.